Do your thing, operate, gotta go, gotta ride, ain't no sleep, we here tonight. DFY, story of my life, DFY, story of the night. I lost one of my homies, damn Sam, may he rest in peace. I always looked up to him, and now he's looking down on me. Can't imagine shit I've been through. Pops was in prison. A few years later, someone held my mama hostage in the kitchen, but no one was hurt. My how the tables have turned. Now those motherfuckers are the ones sitting in a cell. I hope they burn, hope they learn a lesson. We all make mistakes, I count my blessings as I walk out of confession. Lord, forgive my self-obsession. Don't flatter yourself, what I say to myself, looking into the mirror as I'm asking for help, and I'm praying for health. Cancer takes the best of us, and drug overdoses and accidents, they take the rest of us. I'm telling y'all it's fun and games until you lying in a grave. Friends and fam stand all around, call your name crying for days. I'll be damned, I ain't playing with you, man. I'm just saying that I hope these motherfuckers understand that I'm here tonight. Take a look at me, I'm what you wish that you could be. I'm stubborn, I'm an asshole, I'm a liar and a cheater. I'm so selfish, I can't help it, why am I a non-believer? Call me stubborn, I'm an asshole, I'm a liar and a cheater. I'm so selfish, I can't help it, tell me why I'm so conceited. Chop the beat, stop the tape, do your thing, operate, gotta go, gotta ride, ain't no sleep, we here tonight. DFY, story of my life, DFY, story of the night. Mama always told me to be careful of your wishes. Daddy always told me no such thing as competition. Females always told me that I need to learn to listen, and my friends are still telling me to get money and fuck bitches.